Welcome to the Refund Tax Solutions Unit 1, Section 1, Tax Prep Training for the 2019 filing season. In this section, we will go over how to use the Refund Tax Solutions website to access the tax software and also access the client portal. First, we want to do is type in our search box, Refund Tax Solutions. You will be prompted to this website here saying Refund Tax Solutions. You have a few tabs right here showing you different areas of the website. You then want to go to Resources, and you can see the drop-down menu up under here, understanding how to get to these particular tabs. But for right now, we want to actually go to the actual Login tab. In the Login tab, you will see Software Login. You're going to go ahead and click on the Software Login button, and it's going to take you to the actual tax prep software. Now, in this software, you will be able to actually have your own particular login. It normally be your first name dot last name 19, and you'll have your password to log in there. Once you have your password emailed to you in your specific email, then you'll be able to access the actual software. Now let's go back. Now let's go back to the website and actually look at the actual website itself. So here's the home page. As you can see, the home page shows a good professional image of the website, where it actually have our partners that we actually affiliate with. NTAP is National Association of Tax Professionals, National Society of Tax Professionals, and the bank products that we use, Republic Bank and also Refund Advantage. You also can have the services that we provide in this link right here. Clients can pay their invoices, schedule an appointment, and access their portal. You also have our corporate website information right here. You have our profile information here.